City of Milwaukee is experiencing some growth and lots of new exciting things are coming in the next few years. Let's check out what some of these things might be in today's video. Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Moving to Milwaukee channel. We are about halfway through 2025. There are a number of renovations and additions in the greater Milwaukee area in the coming years that are in the works. And it's going to create a lot of exciting growth for the community, from sports to recreation. There's plenty of things that's just making our community just pop. And I want to talk about it in today's video. So with that said, let's waste no time and get right into it because I got a lot of things to cover. To start off, one amazing addition that is coming to the city of Milwaukee is the new Iron District. Amongst us in the center is the new stadium that is forging ahead, pun intended. The stadium is going to seat up to 8,000 people and will usher in a new era of soccer for Milwaukee, Wisconsin, as it'll be a soon to be named USL Soccer Championship Club. Once completed, it'll be set to join the second division of US Soccer for the upcoming 2026 season. And even aside from pro soccer, it's also going to serve as a base for men's and women's soccer at the local Marquette University. And even aside from that, there are plans for a hotel underway, as well as some apartments, some shopping centers, and a private venue. And by the way, my name is William Loos, the local Milwaukee real estate agent. If you're looking forward to all of these amazing additions in our community and want to experience them for yourself and looking to make a move in the near future, reach out to me today. Let's have a chat about your housing goals and how I can help you make that move. My contact info is on the screen in the description below. I look forward to hearing from you. Moving right along, another addition to Milwaukee is going to be the FPC Live venue. Now, this project is set to open in the fall and will be just in the shadows just south of Pfizer Forum in the Deer District. This $70 million project will host about 4,500 people and will be a nice new addition to the city's live music venue. A few blocks away in the theater district is the Associated Bank Theater. This building is home of the Milwaukee Repertory Theater and is currently undergoing a $78 million donation, which, fun fact, was entirely funded by public donations. Updates in this building will include signage along the Milwaukee Riverwalk, as well as updates to the admin offices, restrooms, as well as a few ADA options to bring it up to compliance. And aside from sports and entertainment, there are some great upcoming additions and renovations to some of Milwaukee's parks, beaches, and trails. South Shore Beach will be moving just a little more south. And aside from being in an environment where there'll be cleaner swimming water, there'll be some updates, including a foot washing station and even some newer areas for recreation. And speaking of trails, there'll be updates to the Leaf Trail with a few extensions for all walkers, runners, and rollers. Also, the Riverwalk in downtown Milwaukee will get a renovation and extension as well, as this will be a 3/4 mile, two-phase, 2-year project that will expand into the Harbor District and into South downtown Milwaukee. The first phase of the Riverwalk started this year and consists of more just paving the way for a new trail as well as a bridge over the Milwaukee River. The second phase will start next year in 2026 and will consist of more adding on amenities to the trail, including a public gathering space, a restroom, a launch for boaters and kayakers and canoers, and even a public green space as well. And in addition to green spaces, Milwaukee will also be unleashing, pun intended, a dog park in a new area just bordering the 3rd Ward. The park will take place in what was formerly a vacant lot underneath the Interstate 794 freeway and will have space for large and small dogs, as well as a pet washing station. Also, among some of the renovations throughout Milwaukee will be the Milwaukee Public Museum. Now, this has been going on for a little while now, but this current $240 million project will make the Milwaukee Public Museum vertical, a whopping 5 stories, and will feature lots of natural light and even a few unique designs that imitate some unique shapes and features found throughout the whole state of Wisconsin. The Milwaukee Public Museum is set to reopen to visitors early 2027. And last but most certainly not least will be the construction of the Moxy Hotel. Now, it wasn't long ago when the Trade Hotel was completed on the north end of the Pfizer Forum in the Deer District. But the counterpart to this luxury hotel will be a second Marriott hotel, the Moxy. Now, this place will be on the opposite end, south end of Pfizer Forum, and will be right next to the FPC Live venue, and will serve as more of a social hub for people who are attending live music, as well as any Bucks games or concerts at Pfizer Forum. This 9-story, 162-room hotel is set to open sometime in 2027. With many great things coming to the city of Milwaukee, this provides great opportunities for growth as well as investment in housing. If you like this video or found it helpful, be sure to hit like and subscribe at the bottom. Stay in the loop for when I release new content. Also, if you're looking to invest in the city of Milwaukee or move here anytime soon, my name is William Loos, the local real estate agent out of greater Milwaukee area. Come be close to our city and all of these great new amenities coming between 2025 and 2027. Give me a call today and let's talk about your housing goals. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.